In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson L1256 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download this resetter or adjustment programs, we suggest you to disable all of antivirus, including Windows Real-Time Protection and the Temper Protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. You can see we already disabled for a while the real-time protection on our Windows. After the resetter done, you can enable again your antivirus. After that, you can download this resetter or adjustment programs, the link on pinned comment. After you download the file, just right click on the files and you can extract the file. If nothing appears, you can just refresh on your desktop. After that, you can open the folder and run the adjustment program files. If the password required, the password on the txt file here. Just open the txt files. Then you can open the adjustment programs. In here, you can select the model name into L1256 printer. Then you can click OK. Select particular adjustment mode and select was ink pad counter and click OK. Please click on main pad counter options and click check button. After that, you can click initialize button. If you encounter an error here, you can try to repeat the resetting process, or you can try another USB port on your computers. After the resetter done, you can just click finish button here and you can turn off your printer. Then you can turn on your printer again. And that's all tutorial how to reset Epson L1256 printer using resetter adjustment programs. Hope this video helpful for you.